Bafowethu sanibonani nonke one obingelelayo uManandisa insizwe engenayibongelo engawaphuza amanzi emfuleni waphuza ekhaya ngoba sikhona sakwazi uMasibanda siyawakha amanzi. Ngihleli no-coach lapha Hillbrow Boxing Club, mhlambe ukubone udlula ngeteksi iringi awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha, mhlambe uyafuna nokwazi ukuthi kahle kahle ubani umnikazi waleya ndawo, ufuna ukujima nawe uyafisa akwazi ukuthi wenze njani. Ngihleli no-coach lapha. Coach, siyakwamukela ehlelweni lwethu i-Conversation TV. Abantu coach bayayibona le ndawo le, iteksi idlula la, abantu badlula la, bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la ekhaya coach. Ngicela uthathe umuntu umbeke esithombeni sokuthi ucoach ubani, iphashini yokuthi ajimise abantu baqinile bahle abantu siyababona. Uyithatha lapho coach into engaka ukuthi ajimise abantu impela abe nesikhathi sokuthi abantu abajimise boxing konke lezi zinto zakhona.
Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuhlala la, igama lami nguJojo Khosi. Ya ngihlala lapha eYibo, that's my hometown. Shede ngabona thina abantu bakhala ngeYibo kunokugebenga nokutsotsa. So I decided to open the gym for youth, for our kids, for my brothers, as kids, umama, ubaba, umntwana, okay, we just keep us safe and protect us safe. And then for boxing, maybe to be a champion one day, because I produce more champion. Yeah. So I was like, doing community, I say, you know, stand over the peace, woman of two, I want to have people, get it down, so does it turn the day. Sometimes we bring that my champion. When I'm a champion, such a lot, I tell you, I can't so if is almost champion. Yeah, if you want to be a champion, not in boxing, but in a job, whatever you want to do, can be a champion. What's that time? Some of the people look around just like that, don't get this silver.
Yeah.
I don't want to go outside, but it's all just going to start.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we are here what we are doing.
Coach, ubudlelwano bakho nama-boxer nabantu abajimayo bume kanjani mhlawumbe ma ingqinamba onokubhekana nazo ma kumele abantu bekhokhe, kumbe ma kumele abantu beyenze nje okufanelekileyo, into right, ubudlelwano bakho nabantu bakho bajimisayo bume kanjani?
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu abantu balayibo bona bangihloni besebenzisana nabo. Wala amasolo umuntu othi thanda imali no ngoba mthanda ezomuntu ephila efuna ukuphumelela yabona bancane sala bathi imali zabantu uthanda abantu sabantu labo nokuthi sisebenze nabantu usebenze ne-community something like imali zibona khaba naba kodwa konke ukumenza so nesala ezasiphila siyaphambili lento esifisa sayenza that's right.
Ngiyazwela lapha emakhaya ucoach uthena imali yebo uyayibona, kodwa into ebalulekileyo ukuthi uthande omunye umuntu, futhi ube naleya nto yokuthi umuntu uphila kanjani. Coach, sisakhuluma ngothando, ngoba umuntu omdala uzele nabo amadodana nabo abantwana, umuntu la ekhaya uqala engakanani ukujima, mhlawumbe uvumele ukuthi umuntu aqale awuyiphi age mhlawumbe ukujima aze siya kuyiphi age?
No, love starts from 7 years. I was saying the Lord so it starts from 7 years. I would do flower minutes because don't do that sepokele sama the age keep shit. Keep not potential. Yes, it is the one I don't tell from 7 years now to 1
So coach, mhlawumbe umuntu ongazi lapha ekhaya kubaluleke ngani ukuthi umuntu ajime? Mhlawumbe umuntu uzobona ukuthi hawu kushaya isibhakela la ekhaya, mhlawumbe azitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe kujinile ukushaya abantu kanjalo. Yini into ongayitshela umuntu ekhaya ukuthi ajime, kubaluleke ngani futhi nokuthi ajime?
Hayi ujima ubaluleke kakhulu ngoba keep yourself fit. And one thing awugonki hlala nje unguwe boss. Ngalala imkhuhlane emini ayithola. So ngesifana le-discipline, just give discipline. But lento eney'nvest ngabule problem ekhaya noma ejina masaze noma ushiye kwasintombi ekhaya umfazi ngosuke kwatile ekhaya ejina gym sebele ekhaya seka-right.
Ngezindlela iyayehlisa stress relief.
Just keep stress out.
ya hawu bathi gym iyakwazi ukuthi uyehlise i-stress, iyakwazi ukuthi nawe noma uphakanyelwe umoya ubuye uzojima usuke u-right. Coach, ngoba bakhona abantu ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo, ubona kanjani ukuthi umuntu lo ukhokhile lo lo akakhokhanga lo, iyiphi indlela oyisebenzisayo ukuthi umuntu akhokhe ejimini? And futhi umuntu ongakhokhanga i-penalty yakhona ikanjani? Ngoba phela abantu bayathanda ukuthi bebe yizigora beqine, kodwa manje kufanele manje nabo bekucabangela ukuthi adla kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo, nawe nomndeni kufanele usupport. Umuntu ubona kanjani ukhokhile lo, i-system oyisebenzisayo ukukhokha siyilungise leyo nto leyo ime kanjani?
Yeah, no problem. Sababhala phansi bezopay right in down.
Alright.
Lo muntu ukhokhiza wakhokhanga uyobe sabhalanga igama kasina. So siyambonga ngokhokhanga yakho. So that unakhokhile right down.
Yeah.
So ilanga mina upay isula lokugcina lebusuku kale ngalobusuku kabusuku.
Alright. Bafowethu ucoach lo ujimisa i-boxing phakathi ngale kunezinsimbi, sizohamba siyobona ukuthi kunjani phakathi. Ufuna ukuqina, ufuna ukujima, kufanele ukhokhe. Ufuna ukujima i-boxing, kufanele ukhokhe. Yonke into bafowethu la ekhaya kufanele wazi ukuthi ma udila nomuntu naye lo muntu nomndeni, sifuna ukuthi siyilungise leyo nto leyo. Usekukhulile ubaba George niyambona, asifuni ukuthi nimfake hayi bafowethu, siyilungise indaba yokukhokha. Coach, ama-organizations eninawo la ekhaya amanye ngaphandle kokujima yimaphi? Mhlambe abantu abangathanda ukwazi ukuthi sinama-organizations athize, sicela niselekelele lapha nalaphaya nalaphaya.
No, sinabantwana abafuna ukuthuthuka indawo, sinabaculi, abadlala isoka, asinayo omningi abafuna ukufunda, but no one can out abaxhasi bephambili. So singakhona ukuthi uzoxhasa abantu ukuthi bafuna ukufuna amadream abo, kula bantu abalemali ngaphandle. Sometimes they just don't know how to do a lot money. So nabancedile izingane zaziphumelele phambili ngama-career abo, zizithize good career. Sinenza abantu boxing, kulanye abafuna ukuthi bacule, abanye bafuna ukuzenzela amabhizinisi abo. So we need things like that they can help them.
Alright coach, ngangezwa nami ngadlebe lunye, ngazi ngayibeka kanjani kuthiwa unayo i-charity oyenzayo, kunabantu abagcinileyo lapha abanganandawo zokuhlala. Kuyiqiniso ngakanani lokho? And futhi mangabe kuyiqiniso, umuntu obhekileyo lapha ekhaya uthi mina ngine-10 million yami, ngine-100 million yami, angakwelekela kanjani into efana naleyo?
Yeah, man, just save anyone. But we are from Natal, we are from Cape Town, Eastern London, wherever they come from. I help them where I can. So, yeah, then from there to get a job, we still save. Run training boxing, I'm telling you. And July, so I'm selling whatever tea. So I'm not in there for now. I'm doing. I'm just you can help us.
Hayi, ngiyazizwela bafowethu, ukhochi akagxilanga kuphela ekutheni ajimisa abantu ku-boxing, akagxilanga kuphela ekutheni ajimisa abantu ezinsimbini. Ukhochi kunabantu abagcinileyo la ekhaya, kunabantu abahlala ngaphansi kophahla lwakhe, njengoba eshilo ukhochi ukuthi kusekhaya lakhe lapha, kunabantu abahlala la ekhaya. Asazi ukhochi ukuthi ngemadlana le encane Nkosi yami nawe ithola lapha ejimeni uyakwazi ukubondla yini laba abantu laba. So singakafiki kulowo mbuzo, ngicela ma umuntu onenhliziyo enhle, nawe wazi ukuthi kunabantu abafidwayo la ekhaya abadlayo, ngemali yakho ungakwazi ukuxhasa. Coach, manje awungitsheleke ngale mali ikhokhwa abantu abajimayo, yiyo yini ophinde uthengela bona laba bantu ukudla? Bafida kanjani bonke abantu? Ngoba uyabona ukuthi baningi phela abantu abakhona la ekhaya, makwenza ukuthi bahlala kuwe bonke lapho, badlani bonke labantu?
No, I transport. What I get is helping me, helping them. So until the end, I can't back on wood. I even get someone that met, so I'm paid for that because it's not easy. But the grace of God, whatever I get, all man we share. Like brothers and sisters, we share. And, yeah. But one day I believe God is going to make things happen.
Ukhochi umuntu obaluleke kakhulu emphakathini bafowethu, umuntu odingekalayo emphakathi ku-society sabadinga abantu abanjengo-coach. Akukho lula eyedwa bafowethu, siyaninxusa siyaninxenxa ukuthi whatever lento othi unayo ungadli uze ulahle emgomeni kadoti. Kunabantu abakhona la ekhaya abadinga ukuthi bedle. Usizo lwakho siyalwamukela manje coach-ke awungitshele mangabe umuntu sinokuncedisa ngokuthile kumele wenze njani ne-akhawunti mhlambe e-charity thizeni mhlawumbe kumbe umuntu kumele azizele yena la mathupha ekhaya azokubona asho ukuthi mina nokuthile ngicela ukuncedisa kumele enze njani umuntu uma efuna ukwelekelela.
No, umuntu angazi azambona sikhulumisana abantu open into zabo-charity. Ngoba-charity ngosavela ukuthi wenza imali nge-charity yabantu. And umuntu ofuna ukunceda I can come then talk about what I'm doing as with I'm just doing this for my own pocket money, for my own thing. Umuntu ofuna ukungisiza ngazo kodwa ngomuntu zangani can tell. Abantu ze-charity I don't like sengifuna uhamba ngifuna umuntu wamadonisa but awudla imali zegavumenti imali ofuna ungisize you can come and talk and see what I'm doing. This is my child, not the government. It's my child.
So it's a private thing.
Yeah, I didn't know. I went back. I ofuna udanga ngikhabe join them for fun. That's how I did it. I don't wait for the government come in. Ngilaphe bro. Upresident ngazasukele lakhona athinto zakhe zomhlaba aze lapho zoelibathina laphe. Laphe bro. Uyale kamera. Ane-president ngilaphe. Ane-government ngilaphe. I-government yalaphe. So I'm doing my see what's happening. Enjoy. So laba bona abapresident not help me amakhansela amamele help me. Since Prince Pambi and I don't know right, but 91 still is what I'll say. So I can't say hey Ramaphosa love you but when I'm president no laba Prince yamas help us. German message.
Hayi ngiyazizwela bafowethu ucoach uthi yena lento le akayenzelanga ukuthi athole imali of some sort, akayenzelanga ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ibhizinisi ngayo, wenzele ukuthi asize abantu kuphela, asize umphakathi. Nawe uma unenhliziyo ukwazi ukwelekelela ukwazi ukusiza uyabuya umeet halfway coach. Coach into enhle kakhulu leyo oyenzela umphakathi coach. Umhlaba noNkulunkulu kuzokubonga coach. So sesiphetha coach, kunama-tournament oyiwenze lapho and for i-tournament iqala iziyophela yiziphi ingqinamba mhlawumbe ama-challenges okubhekana nawo for uku-create i-tournament ngoba obvious kwaze kwaba nama-boxer kanje kunama-champion nawo kufanele ngilabe ibe nama-match. Yiziphi ingqinamba mhlawumbe obhekana nazo uku-create ilokunganeni kumbe yiphi indlela ongafuna ukuthi usizwe ngayo ukuthi ungene ku-SABC siyobona lapha ku-TV?
Lapho into manje ngithola yenza ama-materials because this tournament awuwele prepare thola into ezifana ama-medal ama-certificate ukudla kwabantwana so into nenkinga napha but because of God ngiyakwazi ukuthi ukulwanisa abantu sometimes they can help me sometimes whatever it is, but each one has I know. Nothing in return there. Only help on a help I miss. But sometimes get help from the people, but sometimes get nothing. Something good no. Just to make quiet, everything I give up. Una luta ability. Never remember that.
Okay, so ama-sponsor abexhasi ma kunomuntu lapha ekhaya uthi mina ngathanda ukumsponsor Baba George inhle kakhulu oyenzela umphakathi, ama-sponsor uyawamukela yini umuntu enze njani uma efuna ukusponsor futhi kumele abuye yini futhi kumbe sizama ukuthi sifake amanamba akho umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma nawe direct akufonele asho ukuthi ngakusiza kanjani? Ama-sponsor iminyango yama-sponsor ivuleke kuphi ivaleke kuphi?
Sponsor can call me direct. Time number is 082 260 4804 082 260 404 Munchochi Kamakos. Anytime you can call me from there, we should do. How can we help us?
Yeah.
And that's we need it's fun. Nobody to put me was not
Yeah.
because our mama darling, my club, that's not my club. Any equipment team was
Yeah.
the immortals, all the cars, the immortals, the for my tournament. That's what we need. Because government, it's not just for the tournament.
Yeah.
It's go to the Zanda, so I need to take in my pocket. That's my laboratory. That's the Savannah Loma. The marriage intent with my laboratory do it. The community, just finally.
Yeah.
So sometimes with it. Now I'm going to now umfazi wathole happy with that uthathe imali last month behambe fighting and so when this is my job I can't do anything imoto iyafuneka but one day you know maybe we're gonna try to put someone channel by impulse we don't know.
Ucoach uthi bafowethu ngichaze nje mhlawumbe umuntu uzofuna ukunderstand ucoach uthi yena ama-sponsor please ngiyazi bakhona abantu abanehliziyo ezinhle out there ama-gloves ayi-boxing ubona nje akanawo coach izikhindi ama-short lawa awekho equipment yonke ye-boxing bafowethu mawukwazi ukuthi ungakwazi ukwelekelela ucoach please sicela ucoach sizoyifaka inamba yakhe lapha escreenini then ucoach ukhala nge-transport from one place to another uma kune-tournament uyenzele i-tournament out of ilibho kufanele behambe beye khona lapho and manje ugcina manje sexabana nomama endlini ukuthi uthathe imali yakhe ekondla iy'ngane ehambe size umphakathi bafowethu ngiyazi kunenhliziyo ezinhle out there nimuzweni ucoach uyakhala konke lokhu akukhala ngakho bafowethu ngiyacela nimsizele sesivala coach ungathini ngalo mcimbi lo e-event esiyesezwa ngayo kuthiwa kuzoba ne-event lapha ekhaya lapho kuzobe khona kunabeculi bathi budlelwano benqindi nengoma mhla ka-31 May 2025 ungathi nje emntwini ofuna ukubuya ezobona ya
bafowethu invite ye-31 kuzoba umculi la ekhaya angathi abeculi la ekhaya bathi nje bajabulise umphakathi bajabulise bakhulise nabo indawo ukhulisa indawo lo ngizanibondayi abasonto ababoxing senza noba yini so ngiyajabula kakhulu ngathi bangabuya bazobona basapoti ithemba sabo lemfowethu abazabe emculako siyajabula kakhulu hayi nawethi sinokutshintsha le ndayi kube le-peace kweyothanda babondayo baba lebho kuyaphilwa la kule miziki la kule boxing ezala yabona sihlala izindawo sabo kakhulu ukuthi especially boxing lesitendi lesingathi art and culture was iboxing umkoli ngoba art and culture sisebo kakhulu kama wanted la government bagcina ingene like now they're doing something in South Africa this sport that's something that's our dream siyabonga kakhulu
bafowethu 31 May 2025 khona lapha ekhaya kuzobe kuno-event bathi budlelwano benqindi nengoma ucoach uyakhuluma lapho ukuthi uyanimema it's not always about ukuthi kuliwe kuphela it's not always about kufanele kuliwe waya nengoma yavumeleka kahle kahle our main objective ukuthi sishintsheni i-Hillbrow the way abantu abayazi ngakhona coach okugcina nje uthini emntwini omncane omusha out there osehamba wahlala nama-challenges and manje uya-give up nge-life usumdala kanje kudala ukhuzwa kudala ugudla you've been there you've seen that nampa abantu abasha sababona balahlekelwa ithemba iyo yonke into abayenzayo ungamgqugquzela uthini lowo muntu loyo kule nto ayenzayo
in life don't give up ungavumi ukuhlulwa ngokusemhlabeni la into wazi ukhona awukho wani uNkulunkulu ukhona nawuthola unzima yakhala kuwe umuntu emhlabeni nawukhala uNkulunkulu uzongunceda so in life never give up ngabe unzima uNkulunkulu never give up just keep on going one day we'll get there keep on going la ngiphuma khona kude yapho until la ngikhona kwamanje not easy life is a journey kumele uyazi kumele uzimisele enhlanhla what you want to do hlala noNkulunkulu uzokunceda siyabonga kakhulu
siyabonga bafowethu this is George Khosi i-director lapha e-Hillbrow Boxing Club siyabonga kakhulu